a great initiative. As media is all waiting for you, you're always doing a great job. What is it all about? Like, what make you so fascinated and waited for this kind of breast cancer runs?
It's not just about the breast cancer, it's overall, our focus is on overall women's health. We believe in if the woman is healthy at the home, the whole family is healthy, the whole system is healthy, the whole community is healthy, the whole nation is healthy, and the whole world is healthy. And we always work for the better place in this world. We always work to make this world better place.
And ma'am, when you were like last run, so highest run, and what were the benefits you got personally?
I felt like wow, very energetic, very positive, and see, running is all about bringing the inner strength of you. You know, I observed personally, it's not just running physically; it needs a lot of mind control. It's all about bringing your inner strength, understanding your hidden capabilities and capacities. So, running not only just improves his physical fitness, but also it improves his thought process.
So in daily basis you run?
Yes.
How much, ma'am? Like hours, or you have a like a plan?
I always think running for a long distance for a longer period is always sustainable rather than running very speed for a shorter distance. I always like that. In a comfortable pace, try to learn as long as you can. And also one more advantage when you travel abroad, just by running or jogging, if you explore the places, that is a different kind of feel, you know. Just stop by at the coffee shop, pick a coffee and start running again. Just stop again and click a selfie and start that's a different way that you connect with the place and you feel that place is your own place.
And in the conference, we were talking about at 40, every woman should go for it. Do you remember when you went for a mammography or something? You can share and inspire the women out there.
See, first, I always believe in precaution. You know, prevention is always better than cure. So, this run is all about prevention, you know. So, change your lifestyle.
Okay.
So, if your lifestyle is bad, then it's a must show that from 35 itself, you should keep checking on that. And your body automatically gives you signals. You might be feel weak, you might be feeling tired, you might not be as active as earlier, and you might be feel some pain at some place. All this, your body is everything. You have no need to doctor initially. You can judge yourself.
Okay.
Then if you feel you're something wrong with your body, then please go and see the doctor. But I always believe in prevention is better than cure. So please follow healthy lifestyle, eat healthy. Women, please take time for yourself. Please every day walk at least 3 to 4 kilometers, eat healthy, nourished food, and sleep for 8 hours because you are important for the family, for the community, for the society, and for the country and for the nation.
We just want you to tell all the women out there to come and join this run, and time and date and place. We are
Yes, hi everyone. So our Pink Power Run is on 28th of September. See you all there. Please try and shine there. And this time we are at Necklace Road. See you all there.
there. Thank you.
Thank you.